For healthy purposes, we have a black pearl. It's organic, beyond organic. Rice din ito na black. Pero hindi siya malagkit. Talagang originally black lang siya. Ito naman ay ang brown rice. Organic din. At saka sinubukan namin, which is healthy but untasty. But healthy. This is jasmine rice. Ito talagang the best. And Sari got date sugar. So, healthy na kami ngayon sa mga brown sugar or date sugar. Ang lasa niya is para din date. But more healthy, we have honey and for my boss, organic extract sweetener, stevia. Pure siya.